Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic for all you creative minds out there. We're diving into the heart of graphic design, Photoshop layers. I know, it might sound a bit intimidating, but fear not. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at understanding the basics of Photoshop layers. So, let's get started. So, what exactly are layers? Think of them as transparent sheets stacked on top of each other. Each sheet contains different elements of your design. Layers allow you to work on specific parts without affecting the rest. It's like having a stack of tracing paper for your digital masterpiece. Now, let's talk about the types of layers. Photoshop offers a variety, from text layers to adjustment layers. Text layers are for your catchy captions, while adjustment layers tweak the overall look without altering the original. It's all about having the right layer for the right job. Time to get hands-on. The layer panel is your control center. Here, you can organize, hide, or modify your layers. It's like the conductor's podium for your design orchestra. And trust me, once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Now, this is where it gets really interesting, blending modes. They determine how layers interact. Want to create a soft glow or a dramatic contrast? Blending modes are your secret weapon. Experimentation is the key here, and the possibilities are endless. Let's put theory into practice. I'll show you how to create a simple yet stunning design using layers. From adding text to applying cool effects, you'll see how layers bring your ideas to life. Check the icon above for simple creation in Photoshop using text layer and adjustment layer. And there you have it, the basics of Photoshop layers demystified. I hope this video sparks your creativity and boosts your confidence in using Photoshop. Remember, it's all about experimenting and having fun. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more creative content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tutorial. Until next time, keep creating.